everybody. Rose from Bridgewater Public Library. Thanks for joining me today. So I'm still on the summer reading, Tales and Tales, and one of the other graphics besides the seahorse from last time is this is another graphic of the Tales and Tales, and it could be a whale tail or it could be a mermaid tail. Can you see my mermaid? So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do a mermaid tail, and I'm going to do it with a chain pull. I know I've done one other chain pull about a year ago. So I'm bringing out the chains again. So let's get to the canvas. So I've got my canvas flooded with white. This is a, I think 16 by 20, and I have it portrait. I've got some, it's called Prussian blue. It's like a navy, deep blue, and in this little squeeze bottle. I'm going to attempt to hand draw the outline of a tail, like a mermaid tail, fish, whale tail, before Tales and Tales reading. So I wanted the main focus, so let's see if I can do it. Will do. That's not how the water's gonna be, but I think that's good. Yeah. All right. So I'm just gonna do that. So for me, let's see. I'm gonna drizzle. You don't need a lot of the paint. I've done one or two of these and I always use too much paint. So it's okay. So I hope you're all reading. You don't have to read out inside. Reading outside is good. All right, so this is a bright pink color. I really think it's fabulous. I'm gonna have to probably do the blue again. This is called a color shift. It's a purpley pink. In different lighting. It looks a different color. It shifts. And pink. And put a little of this. Oops, that's okay. Alright, so I need to do this outline again because it kind of sunk. Alright, so we're doing the chain pull like I said, and I have my cup of water. We've learned the hard way. Remember, to not put it in your drain. So the problem is my blue's sinking, so I'm hoping that doesn't Okay, so I'm just going on the outline of one side, and I want it a little longer. Okay, hopefully this works. Hopefully I don't have too much paint like I had mentioned. In the water. And there's a little too much paint here. That's alright, I'll do something. Alright, so I'm gonna do the other side and then we'll fiddle around. I just rinse the chain out in the water. I don't know, can you see that? Probably not. And I'm gonna do the other end. This is a longer chain. Stuck on my finger. We're gonna have to pull. There's way too much paint there, but there's some cool stuff happening. wet. I'll get a little closer. That's your water and your mermaid tail. And I'm pleased with it. And I will show it to you dry. All right, here it is dried, and it dried well. It's varnished as well. So there it is. It will be on display in the display case at the circulation desk. So I hope you're enjoying your summer reading and Tales and Tales. Thanks everybody. Peace.